Did you know that rice water, yes, the cloudy liquid left over after cooking rice, can transform your life in 4 incredible ways? Join me as we journey deep into the heart of this unassuming kitchen staple to uncover its hidden potential. We'll explore ancient wisdom and modern science, revealing rice water's remarkable ability to enhance our beauty, invigorate our gardens, and even cleanse our homes. Prepare to be astonished as we unlock the secret powers of rice water together. For centuries, rice water has been a coveted beauty secret in many cultures, passed down through generations like a precious heirloom. In Japan, for instance, women have long used rice water to rinse their hair, believing it to be the key to their famously long, lustrous locks. And it seems their intuition was spot on. Modern science is finally catching up with ancient wisdom, revealing that rice water is a veritable fountain of youth for our hair and skin. Rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, rice water acts as a natural conditioner, strengthening hair strands, reducing breakage and adding a healthy sheen. It can even improve scalp health, tackling issues like dandruff and dryness. But the benefits don't stop there. Rice water is a gentle yet effective toner for the skin, tightening pores, evening out skin tone and soothing irritation. Forget those expensive chemical-laden beauty products. This humble kitchen staple can give them a run for their money. So, next time you're cooking rice, don't pour that precious liquid down the drain. Instead, bottle it up and let it work its magic on your hair and skin. You might just be surprised at the results. From the bathroom, we venture now into the garden, where rice water takes on a new role as a potent elixir for our plants. Yes, you heard that right. This versatile liquid isn't just good for us, it's a miracle worker in the garden too. Think of it as a nutrient-rich energy drink for your leafy friends. Packed with essential minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, rice water acts as a natural fertilizer, promoting healthy growth and boosting yields. But can it really compete with those brightly coloured chemical-laden fertilizers lining the garden centre shelves? The answer, my friends, might surprise you. Studies have shown that plants treated with fermented rice water can actually outperform those treated with chemical fertilizers. Not only that, but rice water is also a more sustainable and eco-friendly option, helping to reduce our reliance on harmful chemicals. So, before you reach for that bottle of synthetic fertilizer, consider giving your plants a taste of rice water instead. They'll thank you for it with lush foliage, vibrant blooms and a bountiful harvest. Chapter 3. The Unexpected Cleanser. Now let's step back inside, where rice water reveals yet another surprising talent as a powerful cleaning agent. Yes, this humble liquid isn't just good for our bodies and our gardens. It can even help us keep our homes sparkling clean. The starch in rice water acts as a natural dirt and grime remover, making it surprisingly effective at tackling all sorts of household cleaning tasks. I once had the occasion to test this myself, you see. Spilled some rather stubborn berry juice on my favourite shirt, I did. Desperate times called for desperate measures, so I thought, why not give rice water a try? To my astonishment, the stain vanished. It was as if the rice water had performed a magic trick right before my very eyes. From that day forward, I've been a firm believer in the cleaning power of rice water. From cleaning windows and mirrors to mopping floors and even shining silverware, rice water can do it all and without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial cleaning products. Chapter 4. Ancient Remedy, Modern Marvel. Finally, we delve into the world of traditional medicine, where rice water has been revered for centuries as a gentle yet effective home remedy for various ailments. In many cultures, rice water is a go-to solution for soothing digestive upset. Its high starch content helps to coat the stomach lining, providing relief from indigestion, diarrhea, and even constipation. But its healing powers extend far beyond the digestive system. Rice water can be used topically to soothe skin irritations like eczema, sunburn, and insect bites. And here's the truly remarkable part. Historical records suggest that rice water was even used to treat more serious conditions like fever and dehydration. While it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for any serious health concerns, the fact that rice water has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries is a testament to its potent and versatile nature. From enhancing our beauty and nourishing our gardens to cleaning our homes and even soothing our ailments, rice water is a true testament to the power of nature's simplest ingredients. And here's the ultimate mind-blowing fact. Rice water has been used for centuries in ancient civilizations for its miraculous properties. Imagine a simple bowl of rice water connecting us to generations past through a shared wisdom that transcends time and culture. What do you think? Share your thoughts below, like, share and subscribe for more amazing insights. Click the link in the bio for more expert guidance and leave your comments below.